Everyone may be seated. We are ready to proceed. Ladies and gentlemen, this witness has been previously sworn to testify truthfully. Ms. Anderson?
Yes, Your Honor. Just need to make sure my media is working with me instead of against me. Okay. Good morning. How are you?
Been better.
Would you please introduce yourself to the jury?
I'm Tanner's mother. I'm the defendant's mother.
And I'm going to ask you again, how are you doing?
I'm in pain, but I'm working through it.
What kind of pain are you having today?
I've had 2 neck surgeries in last year, and the screws have fallen out, and they're working their way down my back as we speak.
Ms. Horner, where were you born?
May 3rd, 1971.
Oh, is it where were you born?
Oh, Fort Worth.
And where were you raised?
Fort Worth.
Did you move around a lot while you were in Fort Worth when you were a child?
Yeah.
How far did you go in school?
No. Not far at all. I think 9th grade.
Did you like school?
No.
Why didn't you like it?
I had a lot of issues in school and home.
When you were in school, what kind of grades were you making?
I don't remember that, Susan. I don't.
Okay. Did you ever want to go to college?
You need to speak out.
Oh, yes, Your Honor. Yes, I did.
And Ms. Horner, you're also very soft-spoken, so if you can try to, and I know you're in some pain, but if you can keep your voice up for us and use the microphone as much as possible, that'll make it easier for the jury to hear what you have to say.
Is that better?
Much.
Okay.
We were talking about you wanting to go to college. Did you ever make it to college?
I did when I got sober in 2014. I did.
And how was that for you?
I did good. I had an essay published in Blueprints.
You had an essay published?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what kind of essay?
It was a simile metaphor, essay.
Oh, what was it about?
The oppression of Muslim women.
So, where was this essay published?
Oh, in TCC, or it was TCJC at the time.
Is that Tarrant County Community College?
Mm-hmm.
Melissa, when you were a young girl, what did you want to do with your life?
I don't remember having dreams. I didn't have a good childhood.
Your Honor, I'm going to... May I have a prayer to put in the charge?
Yes. Uh-huh.
Actually, Ms. Horner, I'm going to hand you what has already been admitted into evidence as defense exhibits 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, and 62. And we're going to be using these throughout your testimony, okay?
Okay. Oh, Lord.
You have published, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am.
met in states number 55, or defense exhibit number 55.
That would be me.
And how old were you there?
Maybe 8, 9.
Ms. Warner, I want to talk to you a little bit about your upbringing, okay? Who was your mother?
Jackie Harbison.
What kind of mother was Jackie?
Excuse me?
What kind of mother was Jackie?
A very nurturing mother. Not very protective, but nurturing.
Did she ever leave you alone as a child?
Yeah.
And how old were you when she would leave you alone?
Not. I mean, what do you mean alone?
Well, if she left you at home by yourself, how did she often leave you at home by yourself?
When she was working, yeah.
And how old were you?
About 6.
About 6?
Mm-hmm.
So at the age of 6, she would leave you at home alone?
Yeah.
Did you have any brothers or sisters there with you?
No, not at the time.
Did you have a stepfather or any cousins or relatives to stay with you?
I'm not sure about the age, but like until my mom got married, I was alone, and then I had 2 step brothers and sisters.
May I have a moment, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we're back online now. Sorry. Okay, so Ms. Warner, we were talking about your mother. You had said that she was nurturing, but not always. Do you feel that your mother met all of your emotional needs as a child?
I'll let her read. Go ahead.
And I'll repeat the question. Do you feel that your mother, Jackie, met all of your emotional needs?
She tried. She's very young. She tried. I don't think I did, no. I don't think they were. She turned 16 the day after she had me, so, yeah.
So the child having a child?
Right.
And Ms. Horner, I want to talk to you a little bit about your father. Did your mother and father remain married after having you?
No, ma'am, they didn't.
And how old were you when they divorced?
1 year old.
At some point, did your mother remarry?
Yes.
And how old were you when they remarried?
5 or 6.
Would you like to be a stepfather?
No.
Why not? Okay, Ms. Horner. Did your stepfather abuse you?
Yes.
How did he abuse you?
First time he abused me, they weren't even married. I was 4 when he tried to have sex with me.
And this was before they even got married?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you tell anyone?
Yes, I did.
Who did you tell?
My mother.
Even though you had told your mother that the man she was with at the time had abused you, did she break up with him?
No, she didn't believe me.
didn't believe you?
I think he told her, because he had put something on a rag to make me pass out. And she asked him what that smell was, and I think he said it, perfume, or he spilled perfume on me and he had to clean it up or something. I don't know what he said. She believed him over me.
And even though he abused you, did they still get married?
Yes, ma'am.
After they married, did the abuse stop?
No, ma'am.
Was the abuse constant through the marriage, or was it at different times?
It was not constant. I think he felt lucky that I didn't die. And he quit for a while.
So during the time that your stepfather was abusing you, did you tell your mother about it?
Yeah. I used to put, like a note on my door, whoever's coming to my room at night, and please stop.
Did that person stop?
No. No.
At any point, were you able to report this abuse to anyone? Or let me rephrase that, to anyone who believed you?
Well, when I was 14, they sent me to rehab because I was smoking weed. And came out then.
When you got out of rehab, were there any conditions placed upon your household for your release?
Yeah, my mom had to leave Larry. Washington. My mom had to leave my perpetrator.
And that was your stepfather?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
You had mentioned that you had gone to rehab because you were smoking weed. Why were you smoking weed at the time?
I'm not sure. I guess it was helping me.
Helping you what?
Self-medicate. I found a way to escape my own head.
And when you say you found a way to escape your own head, was that because of the abuse?
Yes.
You were sent to rehab when you were 14. How old were you when you first started smoking marijuana?
I guess about 14.
Were you using any other kinds of drugs?
No, not at the time.
You had mentioned that you had gone to rehab. While you were in the rehab, did you have any counseling related to the sexual abuse?
Yes.
Did that help?
I don't remember. Probably not.
And Ms. Horn, I want to fast forward a little bit. You had mentioned that you had dropped out of school. How old, or that you didn't finish school. How old were you when you dropped out?
That's a lot of weed ago. I don't remember. I just don't. I'm sorry. There's a lot of things I don't remember.
That's okay. Were you still a teenager?
Yes.
Without saying what your mother told you, how did she feel about you dropping out of school?
I don't remember her saying anything.
Well, after you dropped out, how did you earn a living?
Well, Jack in the Box at first, and then Wendy's, and then Sinbad's and Illusions.
What is Sinbad's?
It's a club.
Or what kind of club is that?
The male topless bar.
So, after you dropped out of school, did you start stripping?
Yeah.
How'd you feel about that?
It seemed to fit in with my life. You know?
I'm sorry?
It seemed to fit in with my life, you know? That's what I think when you're abused at such a young age, it becomes a self-concept, you know, this is what I'm here for. I wish I hadn't. I really wish I hadn't, but I did.
Now, did your mother ever discourage you from working in a strip club?
No. I don't remember that either. She's not a bad mother. I don't want anything bad about my mom.
So how long did you work in the strip clubs?
12 years. Till I turned 30.
So if it was 12 years when you turned 30, you were about 17 or 18 when you started?
Yes, ma'am.
When you first started working in the clubs, was it easy for you to go up on that stage?
Oh, no. No.
What did you do to get up the courage to go up there?
Drink. Drink heavily.
What did you drink?
Jack and Coke mostly.
At any time did you have to use drugs in order to go up on the stage?
Yes.
What kind of drugs did you use during that period?
Meth.
Meth?
Mm-hmm.
About how old, if you remember, were you when you started using meth?
I don't know.
At some point, did you start using even heavier drugs than meth?
Yes.
What drugs did you start using?
When was this? Just later on?
Yes.
I mean, I've done everything. I mean, heroin.
Is that your drug of choice?
Yes.
How long have you been using heroin?
It was about 25 years.
When you first started using heroin, how did you use it? Was it snorted? Was it?
Yeah. Yes. A little pill.
I'm sorry?
A little pill, snorted.
And did you ever start shooting heroin?
Yes.
When you started using heroin, how did that make you feel when you took it?
A lot better.
Why do you say that?
Because I have a movie that plays in my head every day. Every day, without fail. And it gets rid of it. Excuse me, I'm so sorry.
You're fine, Miss Warner, you're fine. The movie that you said that is playing in your head, what kind of movie is it? Is it a comedy, a romance, a horror film? What kind of movie is it?
It's my past. It's my abuse. It plays in my head every day.
Does the heroin take that away?
Yes, it does.
Is that why you still use it?
I'm on methadone now.
You're on methadone now?
Yeah.
Ms. Horner, I want to talk to you a little bit about your own personal mental health struggles, okay?
Okay.
Have you ever been diagnosed with a mental illness?
Bipolar disorder and schizoaffective.
Have you ever been diagnosed with PTSD?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Have you ever been diagnosed with ADHD?
No.
When did you start having mental health issues?
I wasn't even aware I had them until they told me I did.
Who was they?
The doctors,
Why did you go see doctors?
because I was at my wit's end. I wanted to die
Why did you want to die?
because I can't do nothing right.
Ms. Warner, when you went to see the doctors and they diagnosed you with bipolar and schizoaffective, were you also prescribed any medications?
Of course.
Did they help?
They seem to for a while, but I don't believe in medicine like that.
Did the medications, well, let me ask you it this way. For you, and in your opinion, which helped you more? The medications that the doctors prescribed or the drugs that you were taking?
I'm not sure. I didn't really give the dummy drugs a try, a chance, you know. I really didn't. I didn't give it a chance.
Well, Ms. Warner, you had stated that you felt that you were at your wit's end and that you couldn't do anything right. Did you ever attempt to take your own life?
Yes,
How did you do that?
with heroin.
Was it an intentional overdose?
Yeah. Yes.
And what happened after you had this overdose?
I don't know. I was out, but I woke up in the hospital and left.
Do you recall how old you were at the time?
No, ma'am, I do not. I don't remember. I'm really terrible with dates, ages. Sorry.
Was it before or after Tanner was born?
After.